Mastering error prevention. We're still guessing at root causes, and it's killing our operations. When an incident or defect occurs, what steps do we currently take to conduct root cause analyses, and are these analyses consistently effective in identifying and addressing the underlying causes of the problem, thereby preventing recurrence and driving operational excellence? Our organization has a well-established process for conducting root cause analyses, RCAs, when an incident or defect occurs. The primary objective of this process is to identify the underlying causes of the problem, develop corrective actions to address them, and implement changes to prevent recurrence. The following steps outline our current approach to RCA. 1. Incident reporting and notification. When an incident or defect is detected, it is immediately reported to the relevant teams and stakeholders through our incident management system. This ensures prompt notification and facilitates swift response. 2. Initial assessment and containment. The incident is initially assessed to determine its impact and scope. Containment measures are implemented to prevent further damage or escalation. This includes isolating the affected area, suspending operations if necessary, and notifying customers or stakeholders as required. 3. Root cause analysis team formation. A cross-functional team is formed to conduct the RCA. This team typically comprises subject matter experts, process owners, and quality representatives. The team is led by a designated facilitator who ensures the analysis is thorough, objective, and timely. 4. Data collection and evidence gathering. The RCA team gathers relevant data, records, and evidence related to the incident. This includes reviewing incident reports, logs, and documentation, conducting interviews with personnel involved in or near the incident, examining equipment, materials, and physical evidence, analyzing process flow charts, procedures, and work instructions. 5. Root cause identification. The team applies various analytical tools and techniques to identify the underlying causes of the incident. These may include fishbone diagrams, Ishikawa diagrams, to visualize cause and effect relationships. 5 whys methodology to drill down to the fundamental causes. SWOT analysis to examine strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Failure modes and effects analysis, FMEA, to evaluate potential failure modes and their impacts. 6. Corrective action development and implementation. Once the root causes are identified, the team develops and implements corrective actions to address them. These actions may include process changes or updates to procedures, training and retraining of personnel, equipment modifications or upgrades, material specification changes or supplier revisions, implementing additional quality control measures or checklists. 7. Verification and validation. The effectiveness of the corrective actions is verified and validated through thorough testing, inspection, or auditing. This ensures that the actions have successfully addressed the root causes and prevented recurrence. 8. Lessons learned and knowledge sharing. The RCA team documents the findings, corrective actions, and outcomes in a lessons learned report. This report is shared across the organization to facilitate knowledge sharing and prevent similar incidents from occurring in other areas. 9. Continuous monitoring and review. The status of corrective actions is regularly reviewed and monitored to ensure their ongoing effectiveness. This includes tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, and conducting periodic audits to verify sustained improvement. While our RCA process has been effective in identifying and addressing underlying causes, we recognize areas for improvement to drive operational excellence. RCA timing and thoroughness. We aim to conduct RCAs more expeditiously, ensuring that root causes are identified and addressed before similar incidents occur. Additionally, we will focus on conducting more thorough analyses to uncover deeper, systemic causes. RCA team composition and expertise. We will ensure that RCA teams comprise diverse, cross-functional members with the necessary expertise and experience. This will facilitate more comprehensive analyses and effective corrective actions. Corrective action implementation and tracking. We will implement a more robust system to track and verify the effectiveness of corrective actions, ensuring that they are completed on time and to the required standard. Lessons learned sharing and education. We will enhance our knowledge sharing processes to disseminate lessons learned more widely and systematically, incorporating them into training programs and operational best practices. By refining our RCA process and addressing these areas for improvement, we aim to further reduce incidents and defects, driving operational excellence and continuous improvement throughout the organization.